Have you ever wanted to be the one in charge of a major fantasy team? It's time to make your dreams come true. The good news is that you can give it a try online. It may not be the real thing, but it's close enough. With DreamGoal.net, you can set up your own fantasy football team and have a blast while playing with teams from around the world at the same time. Everything depends on you. You have to be at the top of your game to succeed. You can end up as the next Zlatan Ibrahimovic or never make it beyond the local park. You can succeed, fail, or not try at all. You're the one in charge. You decide who to hire and who to fire. You decide how the game is played. You get to set the training schedule and the match schedule, so it all depends on you as to whether or not your players are ready to play. You also get to set your players' salaries, so you can decide whether or not you want to pay a lot of money or very little money at all. You get to play the game however you choose, with whichever players you want to play the game with. It wouldn't be called fantasy football if you couldn't. And the best part? Watch all of your matches play out in beautiful, vibrant graphics. Every tackle, dribble, and play is rendered right before your eyes. It's the next best thing to being there. And you're in total control. You can run your team any way you like. You can focus on the money alone, or you can play some good football and barely make ends meet. It's a balancing act, so you have to learn to shape up quick if you want to stay in business longer than a month. You get to play other teams too, so if you want to crush the other guy or let him win, it's your choice. So, take charge. Play a good game. Choose success over failure. Choose to win your game. Choose to be the best at your game. Choose to play hard and well. Play a fair game. Accept failure. To succeed in this game, you have to be as tough as nails. You have to be willing to win. You have to be strong. You have to be stronger than everyone else. You have to be willing to accept failure sometimes. You have to want to succeed as much as you want to breathe. Success is addictive, but when you are successful, you'll be on your way to becoming the next Zlatan. He had to begin somewhere, so why not you? But remember that now is the time to succeed above all else. If you aren't the winner, then you are the loser. So what are you waiting for? If you never try, then you can never succeed. Get started today. It doesn't cost anything to join. Like the best things in life, it's completely free. All you have to do is sign up. Go to www.dreamgoal.net to get started and sign up today, and you'll be on your way to becoming the next football superstar.